Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on iSteady XE kit. To do this, first we'll need to download the app called, let me read that, HOHEM Joy, and you can find it on Google Play Store or App Store if you're the iOS user. Then open the app, and inside we'll be able to pair our gimbal with that app, but first we'll need to power it on with the power switch located on the right side of the gimbal. Click and hold it until the lamp right here glows green, and that means it's powered on, and seconds after that you should see the pop-up with connection with that gimbal, and you can click on the connection right there. If you can't see it, click on the camera icon in the middle and you should be able to find it. Here we need to click on pair and connect on that pop-up. Select pair to pair it with the Bluetooth on your smartphone. And now our gimbal is connected with our device. Now let's open the camera. And here, just to confirm, it is connected right there. Now you can mount your phone onto the handle, and you'll be able to use that gimbal. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.